I'm Dave, manager and purchasing agent at Sailorman. Thank you and welcome. This is Sailorman. We've been around 3 years and we buy, sell, and trade. We have consignment things. We have an excellent return policy and we ship worldwide and we negotiate on things wherever we can.
How did this place start?
The original owner, Cliff Hunt, and his wife, Marguerite, sailed over from England in a 27-foot boat. And he used to ride around the docks and knock on people's hulls. He knocked on a cousin-in-law of mine on his hull and said, "Hey, is there anything you could use?" And Leo thought he was a bit of a nutcase, but he said, "Yeah, I could use a couple of wind handles." And he wrote it down in his little memo book and went bicycling on. And Leo thought, what an odd guy. And about a week later, Cliff came back at the municipal docks and said, "Hey, you still need these winch handles?" And Leo said, "Wow, yes, what a great guy." And he said, "What do you want for him?" And he said, "Whatever, 20, 25. And Leo was happy to pay. Clifford rode around town and bought and sold till he could get a shop at Harbor West, which was at the Marriott across from Pier 26. It was a wetland, and that was back in the old days. It's Fort Lauderdale. And after Harbor West, he went to Federal Highway and opened a little shop and quickly expanded and got a shop. And then he went to the old Nova University Oceanographic building, which was a huge brick warehouse on 4th Avenue. And he thought he'd never grow out of it. And before long, they needed to expand to a large warehouse on State Road 84, which we were there for some 7 years. And my boss expanded so much, Chuck Fitzgerald, that he moved to this building 8 years ago. We all moved to this building 8 years ago.
How long have you been living?
36 years.
Oh my gosh. I was walking around and there's lots of parts, lots of engine parts, all kinds of things in here.
We buy, sell, and trade. We have consignment things and we have new parts. Since we're not tied to vendors like some other companies are, we can do special orders for boats much cheaper and faster than a lot of other companies. A lot of other companies have a protocol that they have to go through, and we don't have that. We can go directly Vitas, Maxwell, Umar, Low Franz, Ultra, Ure. We can go to so many other companies straight that the shipping is much quicker.
Less regulations and corporate.
Yes, yeah, no corporate rules.
So I'm getting a new engine right now. That's why I'm in town. I'm on a sailboat.
I'm a sailor. I'm up sailing.
I have some spare parts that I will need to unload.
Sure.
Because some will not fit the new engine.
Sure.
Can I bring those?
We no longer do engine parts. We stopped doing, but there's a place in town called Yachts and Diesels.
They're the ones that are interested in buying my engines.
They're good people.
What do sailors normally come in here looking for?
Everything. Everything. The cool thing about Sailorman, because we buy, sell, and trade, it's eclectic. If you have an older boat, the 70s, 80s, 60s, 50s, 40s, since it's so eclectic, you can find old parts here. We get a lot of hauls. I just had a guy buy 2 Chris Craft engine covers, 1960s engine covers.
You have a lot of engine parts, you're just not taking any more.
Correct.
Good morning. My name is Heather from Sailorman. I am the daughter of Chuck. He bought Sailorman back in 1985 and has been the proud owner ever since.
You were saying about how you liked it when sailors came in.
Lauderdale's changed a lot over the years that we've been in business, and we've had to shift our business from being primarily sail related, because that's Sailorman, because we used to be the cruising capital of the world, and now we're the yachting capital of the world. And it's not as easy for cruising sailors to stop and spend their time in Fort Lauderdale because of the economics of what has changed. So we still do get our cruising sailors in here, and I really love working with them because they just have a different feeling than the yachting community. Is a completely different vibe. And if I wasn't here, I'd be on a sailboat somewhere.
Oh, you have a sailboat.
I'm the proud owner of a 35-foot Bristol, and looking forward to being able to take some time off to go improve it myself.
What year is it?
65, 67.
What would you like to say to the sailors?
We would love to see you. Our used sailing department isn't what it used to be, but we have everything that you need for your boat, for anchors and fenders, and we get in all kinds of weird items here. We have lots of consignment stuff here, so if you're upgrading and have some stuff that's still usable, bring it on in for consignment or deal with Dave. And if you're looking for something, give us a call or hit us up on social media, and we will help you out.
So who's this?
It's a system. Disco Psycho Schizo. Chuck Fitzgerald of Fallen Sailorman now.
1985.
Yep.
And how long has this fella been around, or this?
Third attempt. Unfortunately, we had 2 others that passed away. We've had this one for about a little over 5 years.
Okay.
The rescue. So lace up the balmy.
What would you say to sailors that are going to be watching this? You come on by when you're in town?
Yeah, definitely.
You still have some sailing community come in the cruisers?
Yeah, we do. I bought the place 3 years ago. Fort Lauderdale was this cruising sailboat capital of the planet. And now it's getting very expensive for visiting sailors and move either north or south because of the cost of service.
But they pass them
cost of
through.
dockage. But absolutely. Yeah. And anyway, been a bit of a metamorphosis of inventory. But with a name like Sailorman, we've got to.
Come here by somebody.
Has been our fad.
All right. Well, great meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Salty Bannon out.